Never gonna stop.
This is a great learning experience.
It feels so cold.
So do y'all remember during the safety test, we said something about cutting the stuff under pressure? This is what I was referring to as stuff under pressure. These pipes, these copper tubes, were full of refrigerant.
Why are there bubbles?
Were full of refrigerant. Now, this Freon is cold, right? It's really cold. It's cold enough to burn you.
To burn me?
Yes.
So why is there bubbles there?
Because it's just coming out as like a liquid Classmate.
Yeah, I wonder what happens if I...
Hold on, don't do that now. So, tell Hudson to come over here.
Hudson, come here.
As an example.
Yeah, Hudson.
His hand's probably numb. Yeah.
They are? I mainly got just have to spread the shot back.
It happens. Anytime you take the gauges off, so remember the safety test about the lines being under pressure and stuff? That's what I was meaning. Yeah. Okay.